I just keep adding more and more characters to this Winter Wonderland scene. I hope you've been drawing with me because each one of these characters we have drawn and added to the scene, and today we're going to add a new character, and it's a fun character. It's a seal. Yeah, that's right. We're going to add a seal. Then we're going to open a special gift or a present, see what we add to our character, and then we're going to place our character in our Winterland scene. So grab a pencil and paper, and let's start drawing. Okay, artists, to draw our seal, we're going to start with a lowercase letter J, just like this. And we're going to turn that little dot into an I, so just draw a circle around there. And another I right next to it with another circle. If you find yourself having a little bit of a space, you can just connect the two. Let's add the nose. We're just going to draw a fun little shape like that. And now let's work on the character's mouth. We're going to draw a curved line here and here with a little curved line for the cheek. I think I'm going to make the mouth open, so I'm just going to draw a fun line here. Make this mouth really open wide like so. Our seal's coming to life. Let's go ahead and draw a flipper. Here, we're just going to draw these little curved lines like so. And now we can start right here at the face, and we're gonna draw the front of our seal's body. We're just gonna draw a line that curves down there. We need to add the tail, and for the tail, really simple, we're just gonna draw two curved lines like so. Finish up this character, we're gonna draw a line from the end of the tail like this down to the flipper. And we need to add another little flipper shape on this side of our seal. I'm also going to add just a few little whiskers and eyebrows. And there you go. We have a seal. Perfect for a Winterland scene like this. But we need to open a gift and see what we're going to add to our sea lion character. Okay, let's open this gift and see what our seal is going to have. Haha, chocolate bar. Awesome. Looks like Kit Kat too. Let's add that chocolate bar to our character. And I think because it's a seal, right, we could have this chocolate bar balancing on its tail. Let's add this character to our Winterland. Okay, artists, we're at our Winter Wonderland scene where we've been adding so many characters on top of more characters and even more characters. I think a great place to put this seal would be right here by the frozen pond. So, there we go. Let's just add our seal right there. Hey artists, I hope you had a blast drawing with me. Check out those 3 free lessons at Harptooniacs where I have lots of other how to draw videos you can't find anywhere else. My membership art site, you're gonna love it. And I can't wait to draw with you in the next video, so grab your pencil and your paper.